Oh no, it's night. I better get to bed. Whoa, here we go. Um, oh, I forgot I put those creepers there. Better get to bed. Um, so, here we go. Yeah, I've got a, I think it might be raining. Wait, what? Oh, I have my Elisha on, so, there. Alright, let me come downstairs. I've got to get ready for the day. I can't wait. It's the 4th of it's 4th of July. Um okay, so I'm gonna save the cake for later. I'm just gonna eat some bread while I'm waiting. And then that's cool. Um, hmm. Why is this room filled with grass? That's strange. Well, I'm just gonna go downstairs, I guess. I can't. I'm so happy. It's the 4th. Where did my TV go? Well, okay. I think somebody stole it. But that's okay. Yes, it's the 4th of July. I'm so happy. Um, I'm just gonna go outside, I guess. Oh, it's not raining. I wonder where my helmet went. That was weird. Okay, let me, what? Okay, let me go to the store. Um, don't. Oh my gosh. What are these? Fireworks, perfect. I'm just gonna grab every single one. What? Why did I grab the paper? Wait, maybe he might think this is his money. Yay. Wait, food? Why don't I have food? Oh, Pops. You need to, this guy needs to really, you need to really, step up your thing. You are not good at all. Ooh, I could trade him, oh man, 1 emerald for all these, cause that would be good. Um, I'm just gonna buy everything here. That should be good. Here you go. Wait, what was the next trade? Nope. Nope. Stop kissing. Okay, I better get home before everything goes wrong. Well, I don't know if anything will even go wrong at all. But I better get to my kitchen and start cooking some food. No. I'll eat melon too while I'm waiting. I'll just put that in there, I guess. Yeah. Then I will cook this, and then, duh. Alright. So, let me, I'm just gonna go run outside. Okay, but for real, how did you get here? Oh, I'm writing it. This is so fun. Please let me. Ooh, oh man, I don't have a saddle, but that's cool. I think they might have just got struck by lightning. I actually do not know. Ooh. But I'm actually I'm getting hungry. Whoa, what was that? That was creepy. Uh, do you want a melon, chicken? Yeah, some melon. Here. Did he actually eat it? Oh wait, did he poop it out? Oh my gosh, he pooped it out. Ew. Well, that was weird. I better get some supplies. I've gotta go cut down some trees. Luckily, I have my elytra. I only need because I didn't need flat land to set off fireworks. So, all right, here we go. That should be good enough. So, let's the flat land will be right here. Set off the fireworks. So, oh, this is man. Okay, actually, this would be good. Then let me see what this is. Let me see what this is. What the? What? What? Oh, that's a purple creeper. Cool. Ooh, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat some. No. What is this food? It's not healthy whatsoever. It's not healthy at all. I'll still eat it because it tastes really yummy. Let me get some of this. Ah, that's better. So, actually, I think it's time. Gonna be time soon. Alright, that's good enough food for me. I'm full. And then grab the fireworks. Done. Alright. Let's do this, I guess. Wait. What? While you're waiting for me, look at this creepy horse's mouth. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No! Where did my horsey go? It ran away. No. Whoops. Okay, what? Oh, that's right. It's turning night. Wait, correct? Yeah, it's turning night. Um, um, uh, um, Sorry guys about this. What do I do? What do I wait. Well guys, I'm sorry. I guess we can't do it at night. You guys suggest down below. Ah, that looks so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. It's the 4th of July. I just love it. It's a egg. Wait, what? No. No. Haha. Okay. I just love it. I just love it. Haha, it's in your face. In your face, brother. Haha. I just love it. It's the 4th of July. It's the 4th of July. It's the 4th. It's the 4th of July. I have a face on. It's so awesome. I love 4th of July. It is a wait. I need food. Ooh. That filled me up so much. Okay, let's go. It's the 4th of July. I just love 4th of July. I love it. I love it. It's the creeper life. It's the 4th of July. It is the 4th of July. It is the 4th of July. Wait, what? Yay! I believe I can fly. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Ooh, ooh. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time on Chillin' Awesome Ninja. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time.